Oh yeah, this goes out to all those cowboys and cowgirls riding up down the highways and byways. And to my favorite cowboy, Raviola Troy Boy. Let's go, Crow. This for you, buddy. Let's get it. Ooh, the dooley's been dieseled up. Got my rope and sail inside the truck. Trailers hitched up, coolers full of beer. We're ranked number 3, but I feel like it's our year. At the rodeo is going down. They said them country boys done made it to